Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is JTech247 and today's video is about the Xbox One AC adapter which is randomly shutting down or overheating. Uh, there's so many tutorials about how to fix the random shutdown slash overheating on YouTube, but this is basically a different solution from what other people have posted. So the main problem causing it to randomly shut down is the overheating, and according to those videos, is there is a lump of dust in the fan of the Xbox One. So I tried to listen to that video, but I thought it was too unique to open the Xbox One AC adapter with, which wasn't available for me, and so I came up with a new solution, which might be temporarily, but I don't know how long it will last, possibly permanently. But what I needed was a standing fan. I need a standing fan to face the AC adapter, and it cooled off the heat, reduced drastically, and there was no random shutdown. We're just getting complete power from the Xbox One, not like it was before, where it was randomly shut down after like some minutes, like 30 minutes or 40 minutes. I played over 5 hours and there was no random shutdown. Did like twice. Uh, there's no random shutdown. The reason why I didn't actually get a video about this is because I'm currently not with my Xbox One, and I don't know when next I'll be with it, but I just thought I needed to make this video to help you guys with this problem, because I tried everything. I got frustrated. I thought, because I already had like this might be my sixth AC adapter, because I usually get burns or something like that, and so I need a solution to fix it without buying an AC adapter. And luckily for me, I had a fan which I wasn't really using in my sitting room, so I had to face the fan towards the AC adapter, and it cools the AC adapter really well. You can try this solution, but I strongly advise you get a new AC adapter or something, or try and open it and fix it, which if you can, please don't try and open it. You might mess up the AC adapter more, but this can help you in case maybe you need to save more money for the AC adapter or something like that. You can do this, and it will fix it. Please, I need you to like my video if this was helpful, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will bring you more videos like this. Peace out.